the oomph that you need. And so tell people your dreams, tell people what you're about, and they'll help you get there.
Holy shit, what did I do?
You know what, sir? Stay please.
Hi.
I just gotta open your door for 1 second, because I might not have any authority to even bother you.
Okay. What's the matter?
Nothing.
Okay.
Well, depends on the weight of the truck. Yeah, I have no authority over your truck. You have to hit 10,001 pounds in order to be inspected commercially, roadside.
Okay.
This truck doesn't meet 10,000 pounds. 9950, so I have no authority, so you're all set.
All right, thank you.
Have a good one.
Gave me a heart attack. That was strange. Woo! What did I do?
One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright, don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, one more time.
What? You wait for me to get this close to pull out?
Started it in 2009, and in the beginning it was sort of slow getting started, and then it picked
That's a
up,
right turn only.
and things were looking pretty good. But in the last
code does not reveal how well heeled they are. For years, residents of upmarket Bath in Somerset have enjoyed the 01225 telephone code.
Where's this guy
whereas
going?
01761 is normally found in more down-and-heel places such as Radstock.
Tell me something.
Oh,
Ooh,
reek of gas.
is it
And I'm
on
like, well,
fire?
that's not good. And I go in, my water is
Oh.
not boiling at all. And I realized the stove is not lit. I'm just pouring gas out into our home.
Holy shit, look at all the cars.
I don't really do cooking around here.
Oh my god, why are
Whatever it
you
was, it
right
involved
now?
like 6 cars.
Because I haven't been.
Yeah, time and place. If you're a Dragon Con,
What?
dress up like
Wow.
Batman.
From a tow truck.
If you're in the middle of a homicide investigation, wow, I'm getting this was a segue. Oh my god, you just handed that one to me. It's been a while since we've had one of these stories. It's been a while
that
since we've had
Volkswagen
a definitive
thing.
that doesn't go there story.
That it's truckers, and I literally thought you'd get it off. I actually said, you know what?
What
They
the-
can't tell me what to call them. Okay, so you call them Trekkies, okay.
Oh, look at the little tiny turtle.
Police search for 2 men who stole 20 turtles, $500 in cash.
Did they steal 20?
Off his moped and attempted to flee on foot.
You know, he's probably faster running away than he was on the damn moped.
Brooks said
Oh, that's badly red light.
Accident.
It got suspended, and I never fixed it, and I just kept driving on it. And then finally, when I had fixed it, they were like, well, your license has been suspended and expired for so long that you now have to retake your road test. So, that was fun.
Double
Well,
line here.
We have our next. We've got more road shenanigans. Our next story is in a statement Thursday. Police said they located the teens and were told the bus was stolen. Quote,
Yeah, another double line.
Male needed a ride home. That's what the. Where were
Leading independent analyst and rideshare driver advisor, which, you know, these aren't that title. Paul argues that some of the questions, because of unclear wording,
that's bad.
could lead respondents to misreport how much time they spend working.
Sorry, was he signaling? I don't know. It's all about the he said, she said bullshit. What? Man, this guy is just weird. Figure out where you want to go.
So come and get it.
He said bullshit. What's this truck doing? He was all the way to the right. Weird. He was all the way to the right. What's up with people doing stuff weird?
Will tear your stomach right the fuck up. Also, I learned this from This American Life. Surprisingly easy to OD on and will send you into liver failure.
Yes.
What?
Like,
That's straight only lane.
OD on and just die of liver failure before you even know that.
What? Jeez.
It's the show that's changing the world. Now you don't just listen to the show, you live it.
Really? What the fuck was that for? Drive on the correct side of the street.
It worked.
Would you look at that thing?
But it was
Red light runners.
It's not like they were drowning. Everything else they did. The boat is not the problem. No life jackets and taking that tiny little dinghy out to sea. That's your problem.
I have not yet, no.
Okay. Well, that's the first thing you have to do is stop the bleeding.
Yeah.
You need to shut down any account that has her name on it or has access to her in any way, and you need to open your own accounts, sir, and be
Okay, we're lost.
handle your own money at this point. You don't have a choice.
What the fuck?
And so, yeah, you gotta. Serious. Your decisions from today forward will affect not only. You live it. Live from the headquarters of Ramsey Solutions, it's the Dave Ramsey Show. Where debt
I
is
see that.
gone, cash is king.
That's
and
money.
a paid-off home mortgage has taken the place of the big. Open phones at 888-825-5225. Now, some of you can't relate.
The niggas direction as I ran the intersection. Went to Show Dog's house. They was watching you on TV raps with the hats on the cracks. Shake 'em
Go.
up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Roll 'em in a circle.
You gotta be kidding me.
Watch me break 'em with the 7-11, 7-11.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I was glad everything had worked out. Dropped her ass off and then chirped out.
Oh, what an asshole.
For it at this time, I thought just having a friend couldn't be no crime. Cause I have friends, and that's a fact, like Agnes, Agatha, Jermaine, and Jack. Forget about that, let's go into the story about a girl named blah 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 that adore me. Cause you get fucked at your green by
White boy with no Vaseline. That was Red Light Runner. Wow. Ultra last second there.
I'll ask the teacher.
Okay, good. So, well, the good news
Really?
is you got a big mess, but you got a good-sized shovel to shovel it with. So, we just got to get after
There's
it.
one of
Yeah,
those.
Let's just work that snowball straight down. Now, when you get to the little ones out already in January, February, but now it's slowing down a little bit, but still making pretty quick. 20's not going to be far behind.
That scared the fuck out of me.
50 55 by you.
Sure, you can't control Mother Nature.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You just can't kill yourself.
Well, no, how I plan on doing it is I'm going to eat a lot of beans, and then I'm going to fart a lot, and that'll create enough warm air and it'll get warm. So I can control Mother Nature, trust me. It can be done.